fam, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Today we are back with another video. Guys, today we are going to be styling my formal dining for the fall season. Guys, if you are new here, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your love, thank you for your support, thank you for your beautiful comments. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, share the video with a family or friend, leave me a thumbs up, like the video. That really helps boost my channel. It helps YouTube push my videos out. I am really trying to grow my YouTube channel and trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Again, thank you for all your love, thank you for your support. Guys, as you can see here, this is a preview of what the formal dining looks like prior to us decorating it together. Tell me what you think today after the video. Give me your thoughts, how you like it, what you like about it, what you don't like. Just leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the styling of the formal dining for the fall season. Let's get decorating, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Also guys, I always try to clean. I prep the area prior to recording because it is so hard to record, and to also save time, I do the cleaning off video, so everything has already been wiped down and clean and fresh prior to me decorating. This beautiful runner, beaded runner, I picked it up from Ross. I think it was $19.99, and actually Z Gallery has that same runner for like I think 60 or 80 bucks, the exact same runner from Z Gallery. So I was able to pick it up from Ross, a dupe from Ross that looks exactly like Z Gallery. You can't even tell. Those chargers, I think I got them from Hobby Lobby maybe 3 years ago. Those plates, I picked them up from Ross during the holiday season last Christmas. I picked them up. And most of the plates that I'm using on the table are plates that I pick up either from Ross or Home Goods, and especially the ones from Home Goods, guys, they are clearance plate. I always try to get my plates on clearance. Oh my god, those beautiful leaf plate, I picked them up from Home Goods, and it came in a set of 4, and it's in the color gold, like a gold orangey color, and they were $9.99 for a set of 4. Those napkins, I did pick them up from Hobby Lobby at 40% off. I can't remember the exact price, but they were like $8.99 with 40% off. And then the napkin ring, the lift napkin rings, I picked them up from Ross. I believe they were $7.99 for a set of 4. No, for a set of 6, I believe, for $7.99. I picked these set of spoons and forks from Home Goods, and I believe I also got them on clearance, guys. Guys, I'm a bargain shopper. I love to shop. I love to decorate and change things in my home, so I have to find things on clearance to be able to do what I do, because it will be expensive to be buying things at regular price all the time. So I do look for my little items on clearance. Those coasters, I picked them up from Ross, and they were like $4.99. I love shopping at Ross, guys. You get some good stuff, reasonable stuff, and and the price is really, really good. So I really, really enjoy shopping at Ross. Ross be Rossing. Ross, you could find you some good home decor items. I picked up those little pumpkins from Walmart about 2 years ago. They're really cute. It's like a black velvet pumpkin. Those glasses, I picked them up during Christmas season at Ross, and I think I paid $1 for them. Literally $1 for those glasses. And I love them because they are shaped like pumpkins. And when I picked them up, I'm like, this would be perfect for the fall. This big black vase that I put on the table, it was actually gold, and I spray painted it black. I actually got the idea from somebody on Instagram. I saw that they did that, and I fell in love with it, and I said, oh, I like this idea. I can't remember the name of the person who did it, but I did get it from someone on Instagram. Those floral arrangement, I picked them up from Home Goods this year. The candlesticks, candle holders, I got them from Ross. And the candles, I picked them up from Hobby Lobby. You can't really tell in the video right now, but they are like a leaf type of candle. It has like carved in leaves, and it's like has a little specks of gold in there. It's a beautiful candle. The camera is not doing it justice. Hopefully when I do the final reveal, you might get a close-up of the candle, but it's a beautiful candle that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So these bowls, guys, I picked it up from Home Goods on clearance for $5. They were $24.99, and I picked them up from Home Goods for $5. And I actually picked up 3 of them just in case one day I wanted to do like a tablescape with all 3. As you can see, I wanted to do something different. I turned the bowl upside down and I added the pumpkin right on top of it. I just felt like it was different. I tried it both ways and I liked that way better, so I decided to put the bowl upside down and add the pumpkin. And those pumpkins, I picked them up from Home Goods. One was from last year and one from this year. And I'm adding a pillow on each end of the chair, the head chair. The chairs that are, I wanted to remove the 2 chairs in the front because I kind of like the way it looks, but unfortunately I don't have space to put those 2 chairs, so they have to go back on the table. This pumpkin that I'm adding there, it was actually in a champagne color. I spray painted it gold, and I picked up this pumpkin at like one of those Ben Deals place, and I paid $10 for it. And I believe I got this pumpkin like maybe 3 years ago at a place called Ben Deals. They closed down now, but I used to love going to that place. So those picks, I picked them up from Michael's, and I just put a bunch together and just kind of did a little design with it under the pumpkin. And in my lantern there, I just cut this garland that I had. I cut it in like 3 pieces. You will see where I use the other pieces later on. Not in this video, but in another video. But I used 2 pieces in this video to add to the lantern. And I'm adding those pumpkin candle holder that I picked up from Ross in there. And the reason I added the garland is because it was black on black and I needed a pop of color. And the little candles that are in there, I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I actually painted the little wax that are like dripping over in gold. It was in all white, and I just did a little DIY just to give it a pop of color. We are styling the bar cart. I picked up this beautiful tray from HomeSense. I'm into the whole nutcracker theme, guys. I may end up doing that for Christmas. That's my theme this year. Not May. That is my theme this year. So I figured some of the stuff that I use for the fall season, they will transition over to Christmas. So that's one of the trays I may end up using for the Christmas holiday. I did pick it up from HomeSense. And at the bottom, I'm just adding some glasses. And as you can see, there's an initial MG in there. That was from my wedding, little keepsake that I kept for my wedding. Of course, M is for my name, which stands for Melissa. If a lot of you don't know, I call myself Meli, but my real name is Melissa, and my husband G for Gary. So I just kept those from my wedding, and I just used them, as little decorative pieces. This bowl, the black and gold bowl, I picked it up from Burlington maybe last year. And I'm adding this little coffee table book that I picked up from Amazon with these 2 little fruit, apple and pear, I picked up from Ross. This tray, I picked it up from Home Goods, and I believe it was a clearance item as well. I think I paid like $7 for it or something. Those beautiful canisters, I picked them up from Marshall's. As you can see, guys, I'm going for that whole black and white, kind of like Mackenzie dupe type style in the bar cart, and I absolutely love it. And I'm adding this drip black and gold vase that I picked up from either Ross or Burlington. And those sunflowers, actually, they are picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I just added them to the vase.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. when they sing and dance. Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later.
Guys, we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this decorate with me and you like how I style my formal dining for the fall season. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, leave me a thumbs up, give me your thoughts, what you think about the styling of the formal dining. Again guys, please, I'm trying to boost my channel and get it to grow. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed one. Please look out for the next videos coming soon. Thank you.